Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be fishing using only lures from Creek Life Lure Company. Alright, we're at our spot. I have to get down this way. Alright, we'll cast outward. Oh, something's jumping. I wonder if those are a little smallmouth. No, I think those are shiners. Of course, I forgot my glasses, so can't tell what they are. Let me get on these bigger ones. Oh man, already tied up. Using lighter line sucks because you get all these knots. Oh, I had one. Come on, take it. Oh, there's a little bluegill chasing her sunfish. I don't know. Let's get all the way up here so we can see. There we go. Just had one on. Let's go. Come on. Might be fishing a little bit too quick. Oh, I think we have one. Oh man. I have to make a little switch. Never mind. I'm getting bit. There's so many little sunfish. Come on. Where's the big rock bass that just grabs it and takes off? Is that a wood duck? There's a wood duck up there. We'll definitely try and get a shot of that. Oh, yeah, I'm snagged. Oh, there's so many. There's a bluegill right there. Little guy though. Alright. Someone's not happy. You were catching smallmouth in the current a couple days ago. Not sure if a smallmouth will hit a bait this small. Got one. Got one. Yes, sir. First fish. That's a green sunfish. Oh, he choked it. Pretty fish. I need to get the hook out of him. Pretty fish. We'll send him back on the Creek Life Lures Stonefly. This is a pretty good spot too. I usually walk across the center. Oh, got one. Got one. Wait, another green sunfish. What in the world? How would he eat that? Nice little green sunfish, number 2 of the day. They're so pretty. Oh man, I might have to make a change real quick. Got one. Big smallie. What is that? Is that a smallie? That's a largemouth. Come on. Oh no, that's a smallie. Come on, big smallie. Come on. Come here, bud. Come here. Don't get snagged. Don't get snagged. Oh, he's hung up. Get out of there. Come on. Let's go. No, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, bud. Oh, he's a pretty one. He's a pretty one. Come here, girl. That's probably a male. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's freaking go. No way. If I can get the hook out, he was hooked good too. Sorry, bud. Can't get the hook out. There we go. On the Creek Life Stonefish. Let's go. Or Stonefly. Nice smallie. Let's let him go. He hit that like a freight train. Bye, bud. Thank you. On this lure. Oh boy. That was so fun. Alright, let's see if we can get his buddy. Man, like, that was like 2 seconds in the water and he hit that. Nice smallie. It wasn't a stud or anything, but pretty big for to bite this lure. Fish anymore? get up here and fish these roots and these rocks. Actually, I think we're just gonna skip those roots. So we're gonna fish these rocks up here. I'm just gonna check on them for a rock bass. There might be something in there. Oh, there's a smallie. Oh, he's coming to it. Do you have it? Got him. Smallie! No! My drag's way too loose. I might even put on a Hellgrammite. There's a big long ear right there. Oh, got him. What is that? What the heck is that? Oh, it's a rock bass. Yes, sir. That's what I'm here for. Big. Oh, honestly, that's a big rock bass. It's a nice rock bass right there. Look how pretty that fish is. I love catching rock bass. He came out of nowhere. Oh, I got one. What in the world? What is that? Oh, it's a long ear. Let's go. Look how pretty that fish is. Oh my gosh. Let's get him unhooked and I'll show y'all. Look how pretty that fish is. Oh wow. That's called a long ear sunfish. Oh, well I guess he wanted to go. I'm letting the current take it. Ooh, my GoPro's almost dead. Let's catch a couple more fish before it dies. Oh, there's a big long ear right there. At least I think it's a long ear. Okay. I need to get one for a thumbnail, so. Alright, let's keep moving. We're just gonna keep moving until we find a fish that can actually eat my bait. Current's a little bit too fast. Oh man, there's a fish on that. I actually think we're gonna walk back because we were fishing over here Tuesday, and our fish a little. Oh, got one. It's a big smallie. Oh my gosh, that's a stud. No, it's not a smallmouth. Oh my, this is. Look how big this rock bass is. Look how big this rock bass is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look how big this rock bass is. Get out. Look at that rock bass. If I can get the hook out. There we go. That's a nice rock bass. Let's let him go. I knew there was going to be a fish right there. Got one. Oh, big smallie. Big smallie. Big smallie. Big smallie. My GoPro died, but this is a nice smallie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I can't thank Creek Life Lure Company enough for sending me these lures. I had a blast. Go check them out.